More cancellation news.
Santa Cruz is gone.
Hyundai Santa Cruz also being discontinued after this year.
It never sold that well. Not like the Maverick.
It
Nothing
didn't.
sold like the Maverick.
Every comparable trim for this was like $2,000 more expensive than a Maverick, which at that like high 20, mid $30,000 range, $2,000's quite a bit. Mm-hmm. That's the difference of one trim to the next. So you're basically paying an extra trim level just
to have the Hyundai.
Get something that's uglier than the Maverick. And you know what's funny is you pointed this out. The Santa Cruz is actually more capable than the Maverick in a lot of truck ways, but the Maverick looks like a truck. I don't think this is a bad product. I think this was a mismarketed product.
This should have been marketed more toward the Subaru Baja people.
I think they should have just fully committed it to it being a truck. Mm-hmm. Instead, it's this amorphous crossover with a bed type thing.
Yeah, which makes me sad because I like vehicles in this segment. The small truck.
Yeah, I'm afraid they're going to learn the wrong lesson from this. Mm-hmm. They'll say, oh, Americans just don't want small trucks. They just don't want this. They want this thing. Although Hyundai is still apparently developing a midsize truck. But a midsize truck is going to be significantly bigger.
Yeah, what's the name of their midsize truck? The Tasman?
Tasman, yeah.
Kia Tasman?
No, that's a Kia. Is Hyundai making their own?
I mean, they could just easily rebadge it like they do everything else. But the Kia Tasman is actually really cool looking.
Yeah. So long to the Santa Cruz.
You just got to make it look like a truck.
Fully commit.
If it doesn't look like a truck, people aren't going to buy it.